So friends, this is my mobile phone, and as we can check, we have got ChatGPT. So we'll just open ChatGPT, and I want ChatGPT to create an image for me. So I will give the command as per my requirement. So here is the microphone option. Good afternoon, ChatGPT. I want you to create me one YouTube thumbnail 16:9. The concept is ChatGPT is not working since long time. What to do now? There is some technical issue or what we don't know. So for this, design me one nice, neat and clean YouTube thumbnail 16:9 and just create the image for me. So this is done, and I'm giving the prompt to ChatGPT. As you can check, the prompt is ready here, and ChatGPT started creating image. But the problem is that, my friends, I have been trying creating image with the help of ChatGPT since long time, but ChatGPT is just not creating the image. I think there is some issue with ChatGPT, and that is why ChatGPT is not creating image. If you are facing the same problem, do write in the comment section so that I can understand that yes, it is not only me who is facing issue with ChatGPT, but it is problem with ChatGPT itself, due to which all of us are facing issue. As you can check, the image is not yet ready. Many times ChatGPT don't take so much amount of time to create the image, but this time it is taking a longer period of time. So I hope this is problem with ChatGPT itself, some technical glitch, maybe ChatGPT is down. But the main thing is that the thing that we need from ChatGPT is unable to create. So this is what I got to understand while using ChatGPT now, as ChatGPT is unable to create image for me. I hope you are also not facing the same issue. Do let me know if you are also facing the same issue in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.